Hi, today I installed TP-Link TL-WR820N. This is the Wi-Fi network name of TP-Link. One port WAN and two LAN ports. Connect WAN port to Internet router. The installation steps are as follows. Connect to TP-Link with the default Wi-Fi network name found in the previous step. Connected. Open one web browser. (192.168.0.1). You are required to create a new password for the first time you log in. Password is 6 to 63 characters long. Include letters and numbers. For example, admin1. Log in. Next. Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi name settings. Set up Wi-Fi password. Next. Finish. Check the result. OK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.